In this video we will talk about apple cider vinegar, benefits of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider has been known to bring many health benefits. The natural array of acids and minerals present in it maintains the body's acid balance and mineral metabolism. This type of vinegar includes proportions of 19 minerals, containing potassium, choline, phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, sulfur, and 93 other components essential to the body. Apple cider vinegar helps restrain appetite, detoxifies, blocks fat formation, aids in metabolism, and boosts the immune system, and supplies vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein and are essential components of human development. Studies show that pectin, one of the primary compounds in apple cider vinegar, is a nutrient that can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. For many years, people have recognized apple cider as an alternative additive to fight infection, promote weight loss, and even fight osteoporosis and arthritis. The right diet, exercise, and apple cider in one's diet may lead to happy and healthy lives. Health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So what about those health benefits of apple cider vinegar? This almost magical vinegar can do many things for your health. Let's start with a list and then get into more details with the ones that will help you to live a healthier life. Apple cider vinegar is a natural laxative and it can improve digestion. Lowers blood sugar levels. Improves insulin sensitivity. Increases satiety and helps people to lose weight. Reduces belly fat. Lowers cholesterol. Lowers blood pressure and improves heart health. Prevents and decreases the risk of getting cancer and slows down the growth of cancer cells. 1. Infection. Apple cider vinegar is probably the simplest antidote for fungus infections caused by insufficient air circulation and moisture. These impurities are developed in places in the body which are usually covered by clothes, socks, and other coverings that tend to perspire. This perspiration leads to a pH imbalance in that particular area and cause fungal contamination. There are times that these impurities are misinterpreted as yeast intolerance and are treated with costly prescriptions when a pinch of apple cider vinegar would have done the trick. Any vinegar will change the pH balance, but uncooked apple cider vinegar has the benefit of live enzymes which help eliminate harmful organisms. Because of the process it has undergone, fermented, filtered, or pasteurized vinegar have damaged vitamins, minerals, nutrients and other components necessary to attain good health. 2. Weight loss. It has been reported that apple cider vinegar breaks down fat and is widely used as an alternative to lose weight. Recent studies show that one of the reasons why many people struggle with keeping the correct weight is because parasites can cause the lining of the intestines to become inflamed. Inflammation of the intestinal linings inhibit the consumption necessary vitamins, nutrients, and minerals that aid in the regulation of hormones, metabolism, and blood sugar levels. Parasites consume the food and deprive the body of the nutrients and leave it with empty calories. This impels individuals to crave more food and further contribute to weight gain. Parasitic infections in the body are worsened by too much alkaline. Keeping the intestines slightly acidic by consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider diluted in 8 ounces of water daily may help prevent and treat this kind of contamination. Cleansing the body of parasites can lead to normal metabolism and weight loss. In addition to its cleansing effect, daily doses of this vinegar in water has been proven to control high blood pressure after weeks of use. The powerful healing and health properties of apple cider vinegar have been known since ancient times. Many health experts encourage individuals to try this kind of vinegar before taking expensive over-the-counter medicines. 3. Apple cider vinegar and diabetes. When it comes to apple cider vinegar and diabetes, there are a few things you should know. Apple cider vinegar is great in diabetes prevention. So, if you have a family history of diabetes, you should consider drinking apple cider vinegar to decrease the risk. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels when one is fasting, not eating, which is incredibly beneficial for people who have difficulty regulating their own blood sugar levels, like those who have diabetes. However, this won't replace medication. A healthy diet and exercise are always recommended for people with diabetes. If you have diabetes and take insulin or prescription drugs, you should talk to your doctor before drinking apple cider vinegar because your potassium levels can drop too much. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.